So I did this very shady Facebook deal where I also forgot to tell somebody that I was going to get these art supplies. So I bought $60 of art supplies off of Facebook Market, and I like kind of Facebook crept on them, and I thought it was a woman selling it for some reason, even though their name was Duke. So I drove there after work yesterday, and as I was on my way there, I'm like, this is kind of a sketchy part of town. And then I was like, I didn't tell anybody that I was going to this person's house to pick up paint supplies. But luckily, I'm alive. And I guess the guy said that these were his grandpa's paints. So maybe he's dead. It's a lot of paint, so I'm kind of excited. And I'm gonna open it with you guys because I've been like giddy about it, but I'm like, you know what? Or whatever. Let's get started. So the first bucket. So it looks like it's all acrylic paint. Oh my god. Oh my god. This scent's kind of strong. Did I think this through? I'm in my bedroom. Is it fine? Sure. Chauncey? Hey. No. God. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 31 acrylic paints in here. This guy was really into glitter. As am I, friend. As am I. I was telling Ryan maybe this dude, if he did pass away, he'll just get channeled through me. And I could be, you know, I would just know what I'm doing immediately. Oh, he also has a lot of gold, which I'm into. Hell yeah, bruh. A lot of metallic. I also went to Goodwill yesterday because I'm a Goodwill whore, and I found more oil paints there. So next we have this thing of brushes, which he was like, oh, you can clean them and they'll be as good as new. I guess he did give me like multiple things of brush cleaner. Okay. Second tote. Black gesso? I don't know what these things are. Oh, there's a bunch of foam brushes. Thank God. Hallelujah, bruh. Acrylic white. So liquid. Acrylic black. Thank God. More acrylic white. This one. Is my hair crazy? Dude. I've been wanting white acrylics forever. What's this? Metallic pen? Fuck yeah. What a good find. I'm so glad it didn't die. I think these are all small tubes of acrylics. And then there's some bigger ones. This dude loves orange too. Damn. We'll see if these work. Next tote. Chauncey, I need you to excuse me. Thank you. Next tote. Oh, this one's fun. This one's a bunch of contents. Guys, these are food containers. More white. Oh, there's a bunch of watercolors that are not in their packaging anymore, but they're all like filled tubes. This is a magnet. I'm down for as many art supplies as I can get. And I feel like this was such a steal for $60. Oh. Original art pieces that smell original. Wish you would have dated them. Oh wait, I forgot about... Oh, it's just a palette. Okay, next. This is so fucking hot in my bedroom. This is this fun thing. took a peek in it last night because I couldn't help myself. I love wooden boxes. And it delivered, guys. It delivered. This one's filled with oil paints and little weird knickknacks. These are all filled with like, I didn't know oil painting had so many things you needed that weren't paint. I wonder how he organized these before. I honestly don't even know how to go about this right now. There's razors in here. And a bullet casing. Fun. Needed rubber. Eraser? Fuck yeah, bro. That's what I've been needing. This is like the Barney bag of my dreams. Fun. Love it. Okay. Woo! Next one. It's this green one. More oil colors. I have to organize these somehow. This is not going to do it. Also, I don't know how to use oil colors. Sponges. Cool. Oil colors still in their package. The palette. Oh, 2 huge white oil colors. What a good guy. And this just has a bunch of brushes. I mean, they don't look super dirty, but this one looks new. Maybe he's just good at cleaning them because I'm lazy and not. I'll never have to clean them. I'm gonna have like a million brushes. Another shelf somewhere. But another thing of brushes. These are fun. I mean, I hope I start oil painting because now I have literally all the supplies I would need. Speeds drying. Good to know that there's such things. Oil vehicle for thinning pale colors. I'm gonna have to Google this shit, bruh. Varnish. Painting medium. Reduces consistency, increases luminosity and flexibility. Slows drying. Good for painting outdoors. Good to use in lighter so it leaves brush marks. I don't know what that means. Reduces consistency and slows the drying rate of oil. I need to take an oil painting class. This is another gesso, I think. My eyelash feels like it's falling off. More acrylic. Oh, there was another paintbrush canister that I spilled when I was getting everything, so it's in a Heavenly Ham box downstairs. Look at these big ass colors. Yes. Yes. Oh. Right now I have Stuart Simple acrylics, which I heard were like best, and I liked his like drama with his with Anish Kapoor or whatever, but the tops don't, like, I can't open them anymore. They like dried, crusted shut, and I have problems with my fingers, so I gotta be gentle. Look at this one set. It tells you what they're for. This one's Bobby's Pouncing Blender. More acrylics that I should have put in the other acrylic thingy. God, I'm so hungry. Okay, that's it. I was kind of hoping he'd have gouache in here, but like, what kind of random hope is that? I can paint anything I've ever wanted now. She is so lucky. This Hollywood girl, but she cries in a lonely heart, thinking if there's nothing missing in my life, then what I do is tears come at night. And now that my bedroom is full of COVID, goodbye.